very dirty car.
This is as far as we could make it.
You can't tell, but there's a lot of snow up there.
And hopefully the snow will make it so nobody else gets the same idea.
Or they get stuck.
Or they get
and
stuck.
then they have to turn around.
Well, we're all packed and ready. So it's time to hit the road on foot.
The grunt was necessary.
The grunt is always necessary. Everybody knows that vocalizing your efforts makes them easier and more realistic.
Bye, Chad.
So long, Chad. We'll see you soon.
Have we ever mentioned the fact that Chad is your car's name?
Chad is the name of my car. If you haven't picked up on that.
That was all me.
We chose this specific fire lookout because it's much more secret. It's not nearly as well known, even in the local Washington community. We made it where the snow begins. So it's smoky town. 4 more miles of this.
Our snowshoes are already off.
Yeah, I think we're going to be putting those on and off, but at a certain point, we're going to have them on for a while. Once the snow gets deep enough, here at about almost 5,000 feet, you can't even tell that there's a flat road under us because of how steep the snowbank is. Well, we made it. Finally see all 3 mountains.
Going in.
Well, it's seen better days.
Yeah, I was informed there was a wood stove.
I can see where it used to be.
Ooh.
But at least it's not going to get too cold.
Well, you don't know that.
I don't. How does that feel?
Much better. Oh my god, that was a big.
Oh. We are so hungry. Just want to know if there's anything in these. Oh. Everything's a little old.
Can't really open it.
Some ancient pots and pans. That doesn't open. Ugh. Time to make food?
I mean, it was time to make food like 2 hours ago.
Alright, you heard it. We're making food.
I'm making food, you're eating food. A lot of bread.
A lot of bread. That'll be dinner.
Bread, cheese. I brought stuff for s'mores, but apparently there's no fireplace. So we might just be eating chocolate with graham crackers. Tomato soup. Butter. Essentials. I can't do it. I'm so tired. I did it. Genius. Oh, the matches are in my bag.
I will get them.
Did you tie this into like a...
You tied it.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
This is fake news.
You said, oh, here's a bag, and then I give it to you and you tied it.
No, I gave you the bag.
No, you tied it.
I did not tie it.
I know you tied it.
I did not tie it. You open it 10 hours later.
Oh my gosh. Smells so good.
So what I'm gonna do? Cook that for like another couple minutes. And then I'm putting in a bowl, and then I'm gonna throw a couple slices of ham on there and fry it a tiny bit before I put it in the sandwich. I assume that's gonna taste better. Oh yeah.
Soup.
Well, about as good as it's gonna get.
Looks good to me. Yeah.
Is it
Food
melty
is
enough?
good. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful.
That's a massive sandwich.
With the sun getting lower, I thought I'd prop open this window so we can get a little more natural light in there. But check out this unbelievable view in the low light. That gives us quite a view from inside. Would you look at that? Rosa was taking a little nap. It seems I've woken her up.
You're allowed.
Hi.
Hi.
You're so cute, all bundled up.
Are you putting the camera there?
Yes, I am. It's always fun in the fire lookouts in Washington to look at all the graffiti and people writing their names and the date down.
Oh my god, I think it's so bright.
I open the window so it's nice and bright. And seeing when people came and what they did is always fun. Let's take one last look at our mountains here.
Our mountains.
Yes.
Down the mountains.
Do we not? I mean,
Who runs the world? Us.
we are on top of the world right now. And there's nobody else here, so I do think we own the mountains. Making some fresh water out of the snow. We didn't choose to pack any more water than we had because we knew this was going to be an option. But I guess we'll get to see how dense the snow actually is. It's melted. I'm going to transfer it over. Into here. Carefully, of course.
Sounds like you're peeing.
Maybe it does, yeah. A lot of things seem like pee to you. I don't know why. She likes to point out that any water spilling
sounds like you're peeing.
reminds her of pee.
Well, it does.
Now I just squeeze this in and let it filter. Sound like I'm peeing?
No.
This actually does.
That's a different sound.
This is the only one that sounds like I'm peeing.
Nope.
Listen. It's like I'm peeing right into a toilet.
That's not what it sounds like.
I don't know how she pees, but it's gotta be very...
I don't know how you pee, but you pee
I
weird.
pee like a normal person.
You pee like
And
a
this...
man.
Okay, yeah. Listen to this. Tell me this doesn't sound like pee right here.
Okay, we're not
Alright,
putting...
here we go. I mean,
No.
that sounds like pee.
It doesn't sound like pee. Haha, I see water.
I have to pick the weak... God damn. We're tired, okay? Alright, this one right here.
What are these, drugs?
Yes.
joke.
The other trick is circle breathing. You breathe through your nose and blow out your mouth.
That doesn't do it. The aggressive breathing that is happening.
There's a hole in this. Conveniently, I have duct tape right here in my pocket. Yeah, there's a hole right there. I mean this. If there was ever a time to be prepared. You could inflate this in space. Good night.
Good night. I love you.
I love you most.
Fake news.
Just woke up. Some of us, maybe. And look at that. Look at that sunrise outside. That is something else. How's it look?
It's pretty. It's cold. It looks cold.
There's Mount Adams. The hole in my sleeping mat must have not been the only one, because this thing just instantly deflated. So it didn't serve much good, but I'll try to reinflate it for a few minutes and see if I can get some precious warmth. We took another nap after sunrise, and now it's time to get up and pack up.
You didn't take a nap. You watched GeoGuessr.
Well, I didn't take a sleep last night either because I can't.
I'm sorry, what is taking a sleep? Is that a thing?
Well, taking a nap is a thing. Why can't taking a sleep? Get up.
Up. Up. Up. Easy bone. Sleeping in the sun. Ah, it's cold. I regret all life choices that have led me to this moment.
The good thing about our channel
Yes, we're
is that
miserable.
we don't pretend like everything is glamorous, okay?
It's not. It's miserable.
Breakfast? Breakfast of champions?
We ate chocolate and marshmallows for breakfast.
Exactly.
I'm just eating the other part of it.
How cold is your butt?
Cold!
How was your sled?
My butt's cold, but it was fun.
You looked like you had fun. There was a lot of screaming.
Well, that was screaming of fun. Fun screaming.
Fun screaming.
We already took our jackets off because it's hot.
Yeah, it didn't make it too far before it got hot.
I went on a sled ride. I don't know about you.
I had a lot of fun.
My butt is wet.
I was just running down the hill. So we're getting sunburns again.
You're getting a sunburn.
I am for sure. I can't even open my eyes. Ah!
You brought sunscreen. Put it on.
I will in a second. You're okay. There you go.
I made it!
You made it. Back in the shade.
Your favorite place.
Yes. Can relax and not put this glove over my neck. Gosh, the sun is awful. Not a big fan of snowshoes.
I mean, I'm ready to feel my feet on solid ground. Don't know about you.
Yesterday we could walk.
This was all snow yesterday.
Melted just in winter.
I threw mine down much nicer than yours.
Well, I had them in the same hand. Running out of snow. Taking off our snowshoes, hopefully
For the last time.
for the last time. Yep. Snow's looking sparse, so we should be able to walk through it. And we're almost back.
Chad.
Almost back to Chad.
Warm, clean clothing.
Exactly.
Back.
It's a good sight. After carrying our snowshoes the last mile and a half there.
Mile and a half about you. We found the Chad.
Found the Chad. We made it back, and we're all
Tired.
and packed back up in the car.
And by pack back up, you mean we threw everything in the car. We're gonna deal with it when we get home.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's always what we mean.
That's the plan.
But it's always a good feeling when you get back to the car and all the windows are still there.
Okay, we only got robbed once,
And you know what?
and it was in Oregon. And we don't like Oregon,
But we're not that far from Oregon.
but we don't like Oregon.
We do not like Oregon.
But yes, we are back. We are safe. It was quite a journey.
And if you want to see more adventures like this one, please subscribe to our channel.
And like and comment.
Like and comment if you want other people to also see our stuff.
And if you don't, that's cool too.
That's cool too.
Yeah. Okay.
Until next time.
Bye.